We have made it here to Georgia and we made it to the boat. The kids are about to see the boat for the very first time. What are you guys thinking?
We're thinking Corona's still on.
What are you thinking about seeing the boat?
Huh?
I am very excited.
Mesha's very excited.
Dad is laughing at me.
I am super excited. You just can't see my smile because of Corona.
We are finishing our food from Arby's before going to see the boat.
As the captain of the boat, I need to make sure you all understand the safety precautions. Yep.
I already saw all of it.
The guy I was talking to, his name is Rob. If you get on his bad side, we're going to have a miserable experience for the next 2 weeks here. Okay? So if he says, hey, don't. Sorry, sir, sorry, sir, 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 sir. Okay? He makes the rules. Whether you agree with them or not. He makes the rules. We're his guests here. This is like living in a small hotel room with everybody else around us, and their walls are thinner than normal, okay? So if you make a lot of noise, they complain, Rob hears about it, our life's bad. Okay?
Oh.
So let's live in the environment we're in. When we're off in the middle of nowhere, peace, I'm good.
Until they make chaos and Rob isn't here.
When we're off in the middle of nowhere on anchor, it doesn't matter.
What Rob thinks, just what your parents think.
Okay?
That's what I was saying.
So, right now, yes, you can go look at the boat. Cleaning everything because it's nasty. It's really gross. I just did in here. Mom just did in here underneath the bed.
What a mess. This is our very first time taking the dinghy out for a ride. Mesha, how excited are you to go on your first dinghy ride?
Very.
Very excited? I think you would rather
About
continue to clean and organize in the boat.
I would rather go swimming than do that.
In this water?
Yes.
In this river water?
I would rather go swimming in that river water than clean and organize
Oh.
today. I want to go on the dinghy. I really don't want to clean and organize.
Oh, we'll save that for tomorrow. Hey Connor, you excited?
Yeah.
Can you breathe?
Barely.
Do you love having this life jacket on?
No.
Give it some pulse.
We're almost back to the docks, and we need to see what's wrong with the engine.
It doesn't meet Aiden's expectations for speed.
Yeah,
It's not fast.
it's not fast, so I need to improve it.
And how would you rate our first dinghy trip?
It was good. I wish it would have gone a little bit faster. It was a good amount of time, but just like faster and farther.
Speed.
Speed, yeah, that's it. You got it.
We have been here in Savannah, Georgia for a week, and this is the first time we're coming to see the beach. We've spent all the time cleaning up the boat and getting it prepped and organizing that we finally... You excited?
Yep.
Yay! This is pretty busy.
It's a beach.
There's the water! Super exciting. Okay, we're not getting in the water. We're just strolling. No,
Why not?
no, it's
We
pretty.
can get in a little bit.
Like to here.
Nope,
What?
Here.
to your just your feet.
Okay, Brody, Connor, we're doing something.
What?
We're racing.
To where?
See who's the fastest alive.
To get to those like cans.
And back. Your mark. Get set.
Go.
Go. Doesn't look like sand at all, but it's just show.
Struggle is real.
The struggle is real. We're not getting in the water. We're just strolling. No. Tell me what your goal is here.
We're building a pile of sand
How high?
to the top of this stick. See, press there.
Down. Yeah. Yeah. there
Hey,
you go,
don't break
Connor.
my stick!
There you go. There
No.
you go. Now
No!
we can reach reasonable goals. Now you got a foot left.
No!
tongue. Is it a frog?
It's not a frog. Do you not see the pig? Like the nostrils, the eyes, big mouth.
Don't put sand on, not on his precious hair.
Not on my hair. You got 5 seconds to get completely free, or else you are in charge of one of Brody's chores. Just
One time.
thing. He's one day, one thing.
And then, wait, does Brody have to do it for him if he gets out in less than 5 seconds?
Yep. You gotta be standing over here in this clear spot.
No.
No sand
Over
on it.
here.
Okay, right there.
Okay, X marks the spot. You see the X? I do. Okay, go. 1, 2, 3.
I'm not doing it.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
One chore.
No, I'm not.
Move.
The rain is coming. Our time for...
One day, one chore, boys. One day, one chore.
We're heading back to the car. We had one fun day at the beach, building sandcastles and putting our feet in the water. We have had a nice break today from all of the work that we've been doing this week. Just had a great day. Tomorrow it's back to work. Woohoo! Connor, what was your highlight of today?
The pig that I drew in the sand, made out of sand.
My highlight of today, probably the Dinghy Ride.
Brody, what was your highlight of today?
Jumping on the sand. Or running away from the waves.
Good.